Hey folks, welcome in this tutorial. This is Saurabh. In this section of tutorial, we are going to do Python program to check a number is prime or not. So we all know that what is a prime number. A prime number is a natural number greater than 1 and having no positive divisor other than 1 or itself. For example, 3, 7, 11, 13, etc. are prime numbers. So uh, at the time when we'll go to write any program, we should firstly know that at what condition that program should be written. So you should know the condition of that program. Suppose if you want to write a program for prime numbers, so then you have to know firstly that what is prime number, at what condition a number should be prime number. At that time you will be able to write the program for that number. So here let's start with our prime number program with the help of Python. So I have opened my PyCharm already, so let's start from here. So firstly we'll give a user input like num is equal to int input, enter the number, and after that we'll check the condition. So first condition is that we know that prime number should be greater than 1. So first condition is that. After that we'll iterate it in the range of prime number from where it start to the number of which we want to know that it is prime number or not. After that we'll check one more condition, that is we will check that it has only two divisor or more than that. If it has a more divisor, then it will not be a prime number. So here it will not be a prime number, it is not a prime number, and we'll break it and go outside of this loop, and here we'll write a condition that here it is prime number. So why here is it is prime number? Because only this condition will not let it to be a prime number. After that every condition will be prime number. So here it will be prime number, and in the last condition, in last else, if number would be negative or less than 1, then it is not a prime number. So here we have done with our program. We'll run this and check that it will run or not. So here it is running and asking for a input. So here we'll write 3 and it is a prime number. Let's check another example. 1 3 1, it is also working, it is saying that it is prime. Let's check one more condition by putting 0 here. So it is not a prime number. So this was the program for prime number. Hope you all guys are able to understand this. So in the next tutorial we'll do lots of fun in Python, but for this tutorial this is end of this, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share.